In this video, we're going to be finding the volume of this triangular prism. Let's start by recording the formula for the volume of a prism. Area of the base multiplied by the height will give us the volume. Remember, volume is the amount of space a 3D figure takes up or fills. The first step is to figure out the shape of the base. Remember, with a prism, there are two bases. The shapes or the faces that are the bases are the ones that are parallel and congruent. These triangles are parallel, meaning they never intersect, they never cross, and they're also congruent. So the base is a triangle. So I can go ahead and fill in the formula for the area of a triangle. Base times height divided by 2. From here, I need to record the denominator as 2, and then I need to look at just the triangle face to figure out the base and the height. Remember, the height and the base will be connected by a 90-degree angle symbol. So the base is 7 inches and the height is 5 inches. So I record 5 for the base and 7 for the height. You don't want to get confused here. This little lowercase h refers to the height of just the triangle face. You could ignore the rest of the prism right now when you're figuring out the base and the height of the triangle. Moving on. 5 times 7 gives us 35, and then we record the denominator as 2. 35 divided by 2 gives us 17.5, and now we need the capital H height. Remember, the height, capital H, is the height of the entire prism. We could also say it's the distance between the two bases. The capital H height is always the distance between the two base faces. So the height is 12 inches. When you multiply 17.5 times 12, you get 210. So the volume of this triangular prism is 210 cubic inches. The idea is that, and this isn't drawn to scale, so it doesn't really look like you could fit 210 of these inside of here, but that's because I didn't draw this to scale. But the idea is that if you had 210 of these cubic inches, they would fit inside of this triangular prism, because we're trying to measure the amount of space a 3D figure takes up or fills.